Trailers are a fantastic way to haul big and heavy equipment, even if most of us are still trying to ace backing one out of the driveway. However, before you can even think about starting your tow vehicle, certain requirements need to be met. The most obvious and important factor being that your trailer has to have the proper lights and reflectors installed. There are many products available to choose trailer light kit, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best trailer light kit from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Blazer International C7280. The Blazer Trailer Light Kit delivers everything you need in a reliable light setup. Featuring LED bulbs, this kit is designed for durability and long-lasting performance. The light pods are sonically sealed to prevent moisture from entering, adding an extra layer of protection against the elements. In case the seals wear down over time, Blazer has coated all the internal electronics with water-resistant epoxy to ensure continued functionality. The kit comes complete with a wiring harness, license plate bracket, mounting hardware, and easy-to-follow instructions, making installation a breeze. Offering universal compatibility for most trailers and priced under $50, this kit provides excellent value. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a dependable, budget-friendly trailer light solution. Number 2. Maxhaul 70094. The Maxhaul Trailer Light Kit offers an excellent option for beginners or those who don't need to tow and launch watercraft frequently. While it may not include some of the advanced features found in higher-end kits, it delivers solid functionality for the price. The kit comes with incandescent lamps, which, although not as long-lasting as LED alternatives, are inexpensive and easy to replace. One convenient aspect is the ability to disassemble the light pods with just 4 screws to replace bulbs if needed. Even though Maxhaul markets this kit for trailers under 80 inches wide, it still comes with the necessary clearance lights to comply with DOT standards, ensuring safe and legal use on the road. Overall, it's a practical and affordable solution for everyday trailer users. Number 3. TrueMod's 4PC6 Red Oval LED Trailer Tail Light Kit. Upgrade your trailer's lighting system with this robust and reliable 6-inch LED light kit. Designed to meet SAE and DOT FMVSS 108 standards, these lights are perfect replacements for damaged or worn-out fixtures. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, these lights are IP67 waterproof rated, ensuring they remain functional even in the most challenging environments. No longer worry about water damage or compromised visibility, as these lights are designed to endure. Featuring 10 super bright LEDs behind colored polycarbonate lenses, these tail lights offer improved visibility and accurate color representation. This enhanced visibility helps reduce the risk of accidents and ensures your vehicle is easily seen by others. Installation is a breeze with the included grommet, allowing you to quickly and easily replace your old lights. The kit also comes with a 90-degree connector and 12-inch wiring for flexible installation options with dual-intensity amber and red lights for parking, turn, and brake functions, and a bright white reverse light. This kit provides comprehensive lighting for your trailer. Enhance safety and durability with this premium trailer light kit. Number 4. Partsum under 80-inch Marine Square LED. If you're looking to switch from incandescent bulbs to LEDs, Partsum's trailer lights offer a reliable solution. Known for their expertise in lighting systems for big rigs, trucks, and cars, Partsum is a trusted brand, and this kit is highly rated on Amazon. These lights are built for durability with long-lasting LED bulbs and IP68 waterproofing, making them perfect for any weather conditions. However, the kit does not include a wiring loom, so you'll need to provide your own. Designed for universal use on trucks, trailers under 80 inches, tractors, buses, and more, the lights offer multiple functions. The curbside, passenger, light features 15 diodes and performs 6 functions. Stoplight, turn signal, tail light, rear and side marker, and reflector. The street side, driver, light has 19 diodes, and an additional license plate illuminator for a total of 7 functions. These fully sealed, waterproof lights are ideal for boats, snowmobiles, campers, or utility trailers, providing high visibility and safety. Super bright LEDs ensure maximum visibility, and the durable design guarantees long-term use. The package includes 2 square trailer tail lights, gaskets, and screws for easy installation. Number 5. Linkedum LED Submersible Trailer Tail Light Kit. Standing out in the crowded market of trailer lights can be a challenge, but the Linkedum Trailer Light Kit offers a distinctive feature with its unique halo light pattern, giving your trailer a stylish look. This kit includes the longest wiring harness in its category, measuring 25 feet, which adds extra convenience for installation. Additionally, it's the only kit on the market that includes extra reflectors to boost visibility. Many Amazon reviewers have praised the kit for being easy to install. The Lincoln kit comes complete with 2 LED stop-turn tail lights, featuring the halo glow and solid light pattern, 2 amber clearance lights, a 22-foot and 4-foot wiring harness, a license plate bracket, and 4 reflective stickers for added safety. Designed with durability in mind, the lights are IP68 waterproof and submersible, with a sealed circuit board and a drain hole to prevent water damage. Built with corrosion-resistant ABS material, the lights meet DOT-approved standards for safety. The wiring harness uses superior quality materials, compared to traditional copper-coated aluminum wires, ensuring long-lasting performance in any weather. Suitable for various vehicles under 80 inches wide, such as trailers, trucks, boats, and snowmobiles, this kit is a durable and reliable lighting solution. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.